Assalamu alaikum. This is the future architect Wali, and today I'm going to explore the future of augmented reality. Augmented reality is a fascinating topic because it shifts our interaction from looking at a screen to living inside the data. To help you get the most out of a conversation with an AI, I'm going to ask some simple yet insightful questions from ChatGPT. So let's dial ChatGPT. Hello, ChatGPT.
Hey, great to hear from you. How's it going?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing really well. Thanks for asking. What's on your mind today?
Today, I'm going to talk to you about exploring the future of augmented reality.
Oh, that sounds really exciting. There's been so much development in AR lately. What aspects are you most curious about? Like consumer use, enterprise applications, or something else?
How will AR glasses change the way we use smartphones in the next 10 years?
Ooh, that's a really interesting question. I think AR glasses could kind of shift the whole paradigm. Like instead of holding your phone and looking down, you'd have info right in your field of vision. It could mean more hands-free interactions, maybe even less screen time overall. What do you think? Are you imagining this more for daily life or for work?
I haven't used it yet, but I have seen kids using AR glasses.
Ah, got it. Yeah, I haven't tried them either, but I've seen demos too, and it's really impressive. I think once the tech gets smaller and more option really ramps up.
Can you explain how AR could help someone learn a new language while walking through a city?
Absolutely. So imagine wearing AR glasses as you walk around and you see real world signs, street names, or shop signs, all translated in real time right in front of you. Or you could point to objects like a cafe or monument, and the glasses could give you the name and pronunciation in the language you're learning. It's like having a personal language tutor walking with you.
What are some ways AR might help elderly people or those with disabilities live more independently?
Oh, that's a really powerful application. AR could help by overlaying navigation cues. So, for instance, guiding someone with low vision through their home or along a route in the city. It could also highlight hazards like steps or obstacles, and even remind them of tasks like taking medication. It kind of opens up a lot of possibilities for staying safe and connected.
How could AR change the way we shop for clothes or furniture online?
Oh, yeah, that's a big one. So, with AR, you could virtually try on clothes, like see how a jacket or a dress fits on your own body without ever leaving home. And for furniture, you could place a digital couch in your living room to see how it looks in your space. It makes it way easier to picture the real thing before buying.
I'm really imagining what you're saying.
Yeah, me too. Exactly. It's kind of wild to imagine how seamlessly it could all integrate into our daily lives. I think the next decade is going to be really transformative.
Do you think AR will make us more social or more isolated from the reality?
Yeah, that's a really interesting tension, right? I think it could go both ways. Like, if designed well, AR could bring people together by sharing experiences in real time. But if it's used to retreat into a digital bubble, yeah, it could be isolating. I think it depends on how we choose to use it.
How will it change the way architects and designers visualize their projects before they are built?
Oh, that's huge. AR will let architects and designers walk through buildings before they're even constructed, like being able to step inside a space and adjust the layout, lighting, or materials in real time. It's going to make the design process so much more intuitive and collaborative.
In what ways can AR improve remote work and virtual meetings?
Oh, absolutely. AR could make remote meetings feel so much more immersive. Like you could see 3D models or data visualizations in the room with you. You might even have a shared workspace where everyone interacts as if you're all physically present. It could help people collaborate more naturally, even from afar.
How is AR being used in healthcare today and where is it headed?
Yeah, AR is making some big strides in healthcare. Right now, it's used for things like helping surgeons visualize anatomy during operations or for medical students to practice procedures in a risk free environment. And it's only going to grow. Imagine AR guided rehab exercises or patient education tools. The future looks really promising.
Can AR help workers in factories or warehouses perform their jobs more safely?
Oh, AI, there's a risk of collision or heavy machinery, so it helps keep everyone safe.
How will AR transform the way students learn history or science in the classroom?
Imagine history lessons where you can walk through.
Yes, you were saying something. Can you repeat? Hello, ChatGPT. Uh, you were saying something, and due to the choppy internet, I couldn't hear. Now it's okay to talk to you. Can you repeat what you were saying?
Of course, yeah, I was just saying that AR could really transform how students learn, like bringing history or science to life by letting them step inside ancient cities or see molecules floating in front of them. It just makes everything so much more interactive.
What are the biggest technical roadblocks preventing AR glasses from becoming as popular as phones?
Yeah, that's a big challenge. A lot of it comes down to things like battery life, the weight of the glasses, and making sure the displays are crisp but still lightweight. Plus, there are still privacy and design hurdles, like people wanting them to look more like regular glasses. So, once those get solved, I think we'll see a big shift.
How does AR differ from virtual reality and why does AR have more everyday potential?
Yeah, great question. So, VR is completely immersive. You're fully inside a digital world and you lose sight of the real one. AR, though, overlays digital elements on top of the real world, so you still interact with your environment. That's why AR has more everyday potential. You can just incorporate it into daily tasks rather than needing a whole escape.
How will the rollout of 5G and 6G networks affect the quality of AR experience?
Oh, it's going to be huge. Faster networks like 5G and eventually 6G will massively reduce lag and improve real time responsiveness. That means AR will feel smoother, more realistic, and you won't get those annoying delays. So it'll really open up more complex and dynamic AR applications.
Thank you so much, ChatGPT. It was a good conversation, uh, full of knowledge. My viewers will surely having benefit from this talk. Thank you so much.
Oh, I'm really glad to hear that. I'm super happy it was helpful. And if you ever want to dive into more topics or just bounce ideas, I'm here. Thanks so much.
I'll appreciate. Thank you. Bye.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. Take care and talk to you soon.